Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. Watch the whole video to see what I've ordered this time. And as always, I'm gonna use my trusty knife that I also got from AliExpress. Let's start cutting. So that's one user manual in Chinese. This is the second user manual in English. It's filled with pictures, which is really good. So let's keep opening. So this package has the set of screws and the lock itself. Key cards. And the locks. And of course you do have manual keys. The manual keys are from here. So as you can see, you have this wire sticking out, and you have this hole here, and I think the hole is for this one, but I'm kind of, I mean, if this is gonna be like this, if this what should I call this, this piece of metal, if it's going in here, in the long run this wire is gonna get damaged, right? Unless it's supposed to go through here, then that's a clever design, because then the wire is safe. So I think that's how it's supposed to be, and then you're gonna feed it through this hole. Right, and then it feels like there's something missing, because then I don't know where this is going to be plugged. but I think it's going to be plugged somewhere here, because this part is probably the part that houses the battery, because this is the part that's inside, and this part has all the electronics, as you can see, fingerprint, card reader, and there's a little bit of this space here has number. Let's see if I can, but now the question is, where do you connect this? Oh, probably this one should be unscrewed. So let me find a screwdriver and a battery. So I've got some batteries, AA batteries. I think these three are flat, but this one is still new, but we're gonna see in a minute. I do have a screwdriver here, so I just need to find the right head. So this looks like this one, maybe. Yeah, so we're gonna use that. Right, there was somebody making noise. So well. This is it takes 4 small batteries. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to test it. But I think 1, 2, 4 small. So it takes AAA batteries, not AA batteries. I don't know. I was thinking for some reason it was gonna take AA batteries, but it doesn't. It doesn't. Anyhow, so you feed. Let's move this one here. It looks like, and this is probably okay. So this probably looks this way. This goes this way, right? Instead, this way, and then you feed this through here. Right, then you're gonna have this that goes here, goes there. Oh wait. Okay, no, it goes here. But the pins are up, so yeah, so it's like that. So let's go push it in. I do not think it should go like this. Is it like this? No. Yes. Oh. So that way was easier. But that doesn't make sense. But anyway. So that's the way it goes in. And then of course you're gonna return it. I'm gonna admit this is a clever design, because I was worried in the beginning that the wire was gonna get broken every time you move the handle, but the fact that the wire is going through that metal, the metal thing, is actually clever. Then let me check if I do have some AAA batteries laying around. I don't think I have, but we never know, because I would like to just make sure this thing turns on. All right, it looks like I found some batteries, AAA batteries. So this is gonna go in here. This one. Holy. Let's try again. All right, and two more. I'm just gonna borrow some batteries from the remote, the TV remote. How do you get this thing out without? Okay. It's not recommended to use a sharp thing with batteries, but I don't have a choice here. Alright, so this one goes in there, and this one goes in there. Well, it's working, so we're just gonna close this thing. Alright, so this is the thing. I'm just gonna hold it because I'm not screwing anything, and I can see that there is something missing. There's a hole here, but I don't remember if there was something here or not, actually, or if there was only a hole there. I actually didn't pay attention to that. But anyway, this is just for testing. So let's put this one back in. And so you have this little knob here. There's a little knob here that goes through here. So we're gonna place it and then I'm supposed to screw there, but I'm just gonna hold it like this because this is just for testing purpose. All right, see, everything lights up. Yes. Alright, so you see, you have free range of movement, which means if the door is locked, you can't unlock it. But then it kind of blocks, then you can probably unlock it. Alright, and you can see you have numbers as well. Numbers, that one is for the card. Yes, nothing is coded yet, so obviously once you install it or before you install it, you can parameterize the thing. You can go into settings and lock the lock, and this is from inside, so I'm pretty sure. Oh, I don't know what this one does. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the lock. This video is already too long for an unboxing, but I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you did enjoy the content, or if you do enjoy my videos, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button, and remember to ring the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I might do a following video when this thing is installed, but it might be in a while. But subscribe to the video for more, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. And if you think you know somebody who will enjoy this kind of videos as well, share my videos with them. Yeah, let me know your thought in the comment video. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and yeah, engage with the channel, engage with my videos. Leave thumbs up if you're too lazy to write a comment. You can leave a thumbs up or a smile. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.